boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We had song Heartbeat here, Lyle Crocodile, and I believe Mendes here is in the mix. So yeah, let's get serious now. No need for any cape on this one, and we have 3 different chords to learn. So let's look at the chords. We will start with F first. So that's a bar chord. You put the bar here on the 1st fret on all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be E minor. So E minor is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be D sus2. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And the chord progression for this song now will be F to E minor to D sus2 and back to E minor. And that will be what's going on here for the entire song. So and so on. Okay, so we will look at 2 different strumming patterns. And the rhythm is the same, it's just how much we will incorporate the strumming into it. So we will look at the first one, and like I said, F, E minor, D sus, and E minor. It will sound like this. All right. So here we're gonna think pair of chords, and F and E minor will pair up to each other, and the same goes from this D sus to E minor. It's played in the same way. So let's look at the first 2 chords, the F to E minor. So you play down and a short break and clap for F. So that's it. And then you shift immediately to E minor and play down clap. So no break between the down and clap for E minor. All right, so that is what gives us a certain rhythm here. So F, you will play down clap, and then E minor down clap, like this. Okay, so again, down clap, down clap, down clap. Right? And then you just take that to the D sus and E minor as well. So it's the same rhythm here. So D sus is played in the same way as F, and the E minor still in the same way as the previous E minor. So you go to D sus and play down, clap, and back to E minor, down, clap. So like this. Okay, so if we build this together, it will be F, E minor, D sus, and E minor. And so on. All right, so that is the basic first pattern. Now the next one is with the same rhythm. We'll just work a little bit more with our strumming hand, my right hand. Okay, so it will be like this: down, down, clap, down for the F, and then you shift to E minor and play down, clap, down, and then you will incorporate the same pattern to transition from the D sus to the E minor. So again, F, down, down, clap, down, and a short break there, and then you switch to E minor and play down, clap, down. Okay, so again. And then when you apply the next round here to D sus and E minor, you will come in with the D sus just immediately after the E minor, so it goes pretty fast there. So is the second way of handling the chords with this drumming. So two ways of it. It goes in the same way through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.